Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In this video, we will recap about rate of reaction. Rate of reaction is the change in the amount of reactant or products per unit time. Rate of reaction can be measured from change in mass of reactant or change in volume of product. The change in reactant or product depends on suitability of the reaction. For example, this reaction, calcium carbonate plus hydrochloric acid produce calcium chloride, carbon dioxide, and water. So, we can calculate the rate of reaction by measure the change in mass of calcium carbonate or the change in mass of the reactant per unit time or the volume of carbon dioxide collected per unit time. Can you name the reaction or process in each picture? Compare the speed of each reaction, how long it takes. Firework display occur in just a few seconds. Photosynthesis process take a few hours. Rusting process takes many days. Formation of stalagmite and stalactite take many years. Classify the following reaction as slow or fast reaction. Try to answer the question and pause the video. Okay, fading of dyes on a shirt under hot sun, slow reaction. A piece of newspaper turning yellow, slow reaction. Cooking a chicken using a microwave oven, fast reaction. The weathering of limestone by acid rain, slow reaction. Burning of petrol in a car engine, fast reaction. Striking a match, fast reaction. Rusting of a water pipe, slow reaction. Ripening of tomatoes, slow reaction. What is the factor affecting the rate of reaction? There are four factors: size, concentration, temperature, and catalyst. Size of reactant. When the size of reactant small, total surface area of reactant exposed high. The frequency of collision between particles increase. The frequency of effective collision between particles increase. So, the rate of reaction increase. There are 5 points to be remembered. First, factor. Second, reason. Third, FOC, frequency of collision. Fourth, FOEC, frequency of effective collision. Lastly, the conclusion. So, the rate of reaction increase. Here, we will explain why small particles have higher rate of reaction. For example, 1 gram of calcium carbonate powder compared to 1 gram of calcium carbonate lump. Total surface area exposed for reaction in calcium carbonate powder is bigger than total surface area exposed for reaction in calcium carbonate lump. That's why calcium carbonate powder have higher rate of reaction than calcium carbonate lump. Factor temperature. When the temperature increase, the kinetic energy of particle increase. Hence, particle move faster. So, the frequency of collision between particles increase. The frequency of effective collision between particles increase. The rate of reaction increase. So, here there are 5 points to be remembered. First factor, reason, FOC, frequency of collision, FOEC, frequency of effective collision, and the conclusion, the rate of reaction. Why temperature increase, rate of reaction increase? So here we can see slow heating and strong heating. Slow heating means less energy and lower temperature. Strong heating means more energy and higher temperature. So, particles here absorb more energy, hence move faster and will collide with each other more frequently. So, that's why rate of reaction increase when temperature increase. Factor concentration. When concentration increase, number of particle per unit volume increase. So the frequency of collision between particle increase. Frequency of effective collision between particle also increase. So the rate of reaction increase. Here we can see there are 5 points to be remembered. First, factor, reason, FOC, FOEC, and conclusion. Why higher concentration, higher rate of reaction? So first, we need to understand what is concentration. So concentration means number of particles per unit volume. So here we can see low concentration and high concentration. Both have the same volume. Okay. Both have the same volume but different number of particles. So we can see in high concentration, the particle collide with each other more frequently. So that's why higher concentration, higher rate of reaction. Catalyst. Catalyst is a substance that increases the rate of reaction and chemically unchanged, means the catalyst will not react to become a product, but it will help the reaction to produce product faster. So factor catalyst. In the presence of catalyst, it will lower activation energy of the reaction. The collision between particles with lower activation energy increase. The frequency of effective collision between particles increase. The rate of reaction increase. So here we can see there are 5 points to be remembered. Factor, reason, CBP, collision between particles with lower activation energy, FOEC, conclusion. Why in the presence of catalyst, rate of reaction increase? So, here, activation energy without catalyst, high. With catalyst, the activation energy will become lower. So, more collision between particles with low activation energy. So, that's why rate of reaction increase. So these are the characteristics of catalyst. Chemically unchanged during a reaction. Alters the rate of reaction means make the rate of reaction become faster. Only small amount is needed. Transition element. Powdered catalyst is more effective. Increase the amount of catalyst will slightly increase the rate of reaction. Specific in its own action. So each reaction have its own catalyst. What is FOC and FOEC? FOC stands for frequency of collision. FOEC stands for frequency of effective collision. So what are the difference between these two? Frequency of collision is how frequent the particle collide with each other. Okay. FOEC, frequency of effective collision, how frequent the particles collide with each other and produce product. That's the difference. FOC only collide with each other. FOEC collide with each other and produce product. So that's the difference. And point to be remembered, in exam, please don't write FOC or FOAC. You must write full sentence. Frequency of collision, frequency of effective collision. Manjada wajada. Siapa yang berusaha bersungguh-sungguh, dia yang akan dapat hasilnya. I hope you keep the momentum and strive for excellence. Good luck.